I would describe Summer Institute as a really great opportunity to come and learn from people who are professionals in their field and who are excelling, and also to connect with colleagues across the world who are sharing common work. And this is our tribe. This is our place to come together, and you immediately have an understanding of one another because you're doing the same work every day, day in and day out. And you're also facing a lot of the same struggles. And so being able to problem solve as a group of people is a lot more effective than me sitting in my office trying to figure something out that maybe somebody else has experienced a month ago, and they've already gone through it, they know the solution. And now I have a whole group of people I can reach out to when things like that come up throughout the year, to be able to say, hey, have you faced this? What did you do? And what worked? So that's really a big key part of that.
I have recently been offered a headship. So when I signed up for the course, it was that process of what do I need to do. But given that I know that in a year's time, I'm actually going to be going into a headship role, it's been the ability to ask those questions and talk about planning and what is that going to look like and what's it going to feel like and I know what governance is, but now that I'm going into it, what do I need to expect from my trustees? How do I get those relationships built with the board? And it's actually been a lot more practical tips than I thought perhaps I would have been looking for had I not known I was going into a new position in a year.
I'm so appreciative that the associate head of school and my direct supervisor thought that this might be a neat thing for me to come to. It's been a great experience. It's been, even though it's been hard work in many ways to try to absorb everything, there's so many great things to absorb, so much new information for me really about how to manage time and how to manage my supervisor. That I just feel like it was a great investment of time. It doesn't really feel like an interruption of my summer. It feels like it's like the high point of my summer, really. It really is.